You are right, Otto. They do look strange.
What is it, Anna?
Oh, Claudia. I did not see you there. We have just learned that the bullet casings found near Dr. Hartman are custom made.
Actually, I wanted to talk to you about something similar.
Yes?
Did you see Walter's gun?
No.
It is custom made. And when I screamed while being attacked, Walter arrived almost instantly. And Walter was with Dr. Hartman when he was killed.
So many coincidences.
That is what I'm trying to say. Maybe we should tie him up or something.
No, that is not a good idea. We have no proof, but we should watch him closely.
I agree. Now, I want to check the cellar again.
But why? It is scary enough here.
Even more reason. Good night.